everyone. Now we are moving to the next type of your questions, that is direction concept. We'll see the question one by one. This is your question. A child went 18 meters in the east to look for his father. Okay, now a child went 18 meters in the east. East direction means he is standing here, the child. Towards east. This is north, south, east, west. Okay, now then he turned right. After completing 18 meter, he turned right and went 5 meter. Now he is standing here, turned right, went 5 meter. He is stopping here. After this, he turned right. Now he keeps to turn right, walk 6 meter. So this is the direction. Okay, now going 6 meter, he reached to his uncle's house here. The uncle's house is there. Okay, his father was not there. Unfortunately, the father was not there. From there, he went 14 meter to his north. Again, he moving. North means, so towards upward direction is always your north. Okay, this is the point. This, according to this point, upward direction is north, downward direction is south. So moving towards north is 14 meter. 14 meter and met his father. So he met his father. Okay, how far did he meet his father? From the starting point. How far? So this is the meeting point and this is your starting point. So we can calculate like this. Okay, totally 18 meter. Here 6 meter is over. The remaining is, see, according to this diagram, 6 meter is over. Corresponding 6 meter is over. Now the remaining length is 12 meter. I can separately draw the diagram. This is the 12 meter. And listen, this is full 14 meter now. This whole length is 14 meter and the remaining 5 is subtracted from 14, means this length is called 9 meter. This is the meeting point and this is the starting point. So how we can calculate? Yes, we can calculate the Pythagoras theorem. So 12 square plus 9 square. What is 12 square? 144. What is 9 square? 81. 1 plus 4 is 5. 14 plus 8 is 2. 225. Square root of 225 is your shortest path is 15 meter. So option B is correct answer. This is A, this is C, this is B. We can calculate A to C, the length of A to C. And your next question is, a child went 20 meter in the east to look for his father. 22 meter east. And then he turned right, went 5 meter. He turned right, went 5 meter. Turned right means towards southward direction. Okay, now after this he turned right and after going 7 meter he reached to his uncle's house. After this he turned right. Again he turned right. 7 meter is over. After walking 7 meter, uncle's house. This is the point. This point is indicated, the child uncle's house. After that, his father was not there. Unfortunately, the father is not available here. From there, he went 13 meter towards north. Towards north means the child is standing here. So, upward direction is north now. So, 13 meter. Okay, now, how far did he meet his father from the starting point? So, this is your starting point. This is your ending point. Okay, we can calculate the shortest path. So this is A, this is B, this is C. So the whole length A and this length is 22 meter. So the 7 meter will be cancelled, remaining 15 meter. So this length is 15 meter. And the total length is, what is your total length? 13 meter. Now 5 will be cancelled. 13 minus 5 is 8 meter. So according to the Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. What is your AB square here? 15. 15 square plus 8 square. 15 square value is 225. If you are memorizing 1 to 20, at least 1 to 20 square answer means it will be very useful for your entire aptitude exams. 8 square is 64. While adding this, 5 plus 4 is 9, 2 plus 6 is 8. Then 289. AC square is equivalent to 289. If you are taking the root of 289 means the shortest path is 17 meter. So the length of this is 17 meter. Option B is your correct answer. This is the example of how to calculate the shortest path. Thank you for watching.